Here at Cycloid, we don't think you should scale your DevOps by hiring more people. We think you should empower the ones you already have. Cycloid lets anyone inside or outside your organization independently use the automation prepared by your DevOps team. Doing so, the need for a ticketing system completely disappears. To give an example, StackForms provides an accessible what you see is what you get interface that allows anyone to configure a deployment. All the options available to users have been predefined by your experts. Cost estimation keeps an eye on FinOps, giving cost insights before users actually trigger their deployment. When it comes to empowering your teams, visibility is key to collaboration. Take a look at how Cycloid achieves this. KPIs provide selected metrics about your project in a single view accessible by all stakeholders. InfraView is a centralized graphical representation of your infrastructure, showing all of the resources and how they relate to one another. Our CI/CD pipeline overview allows you to see task status, no matter where your specific technical background lies. Even though Cycloid makes everything accessible, your organization's best practices will always be enforced. Infra-policies, for example, helps you control what is deployed in your infrastructure and can monitor cloud compliance to varying standards. Cycloid uses the concept of stacks in a full GitOps approach, leveraging infrastructure as code where the automation is owned by your own DevOps team. Infra-import can help your DevOps team to create your automation from an existing infrastructure, while StackCraft can help your solution architects to create automation from scratch. This eliminates human error, increases the organization's productivity, and reduces the time to market for the end customer. So ask yourself, why would you waste time and money building an internal DevOps platform when you can have all of this with Cycloid?